So what is a rational number? So we'll look at the definition for a rational number, and we'll also describe it in set notation, and we'll look at some examples today. All right. So a rational number, so definition, says that we can label it as the letter Q, and this set, the numbers inside of the set forms a ordered pair, A over B, such that A and B are integers. However, but B cannot equal to 0. So this forms a fraction, or sometimes we say a quotient. Okay, so what are some examples that we can look at in terms of describing this term, right? So if I take the number or the integer negative 17, well, I can rewrite this as negative 17 over 1, and then now this will form my set Q. Why does that work? Well, negative 17 is equal to A in terms of this form, and 1 equals to B also in terms of this form. Let's look at another example. Now, let's say I have the example 0.4. Now, this is a decimal, right? Now, this decimal, I can rewrite it, or it's also equivalent to in fraction form as 2 over 5. Now, this will belong to my set Q, which makes 2 over 5 a rational number, and 2 is equal to A, and 5 is equal to B. So we see that a decimal can be written in a fraction form, which will belong to my set. Let's look at one more example, negative 4 over 6. Now, in fraction form, right, we see that it's negative 4, which is my A, and 6, which is my B. So this is negative 4 is my A, and 6 is my B. This will be part of Q, and we will also see that this in decimal form can be rewritten as this.